Welcome back to my channel, Looplacrochetstudio. Today I'm going to show you how to make your foundation chain and your double crochet together. It will eliminate the hassle of making your foundation chain, then turn and make double crochet across to the next end to complete row 1. 2 videos ago, I showed you how to do this with your single crochet, and I hope you enjoy that video. And the video after that, I'll show you how to do it with a half double crochet, and today I'll show you how to do the double crochet. So first, you'll start with a slip knot. I'll be using scrap yarns as usual today, and you'll also need your crochet hook. So you start with a slip knot, and because you're going to make a double crochet, you'd have to chain 3. And you yarn over and insert your hook in the first chain you made. You insert it in the V, and that would be 3 chains from your loop and your hook. So you insert it in the middle of the V and you pull up a loop. And you have 3 chains, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. So now you make your first double crochet. Okay, so to make the second one, you yarn over and you look for the first V of that first double crochet and insert your hook right in the middle of that V, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over again and pull through 2 again. So now, as you can see, you have 3 double crochet. It gets clearer as you increase the amount of double crochet you make. So you yarn over first, and this is the last double crochet you made right here, and that's the first V. You insert it in the V, pull up a loop, three loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And as you can see, it's coming along, and you continue like this until you get the required amount of foundation stitch you need and the required amount of double crochet you will need for your row 1. Okay, so see, you have the double crochet here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 1. And at the bottom of the double crochet, there's a V. You insert your hook inside of that V, right in the middle. Yarn over, insert the needle right in the V, in the middle of the V. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. As you can see, it's coming along. So you have your foundation chain and you have your double crochet. Okay, so here you have it, your double crochet and your foundation chain you make in one go. So here you have it. So down the bottom here, you have your foundation chain, and here you have your double crochet. So for double crochet, if you want to turn, so now that we have completed your foundation row and your first row, for double crochet, for turning, you'll always chain 3, and you turn your work. I like to put it here because I want to keep my edges straight, so I yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, and now just like that we are on the second row, and it's much easier to work with because, as you can see, it's much clearer, it's much more uniform, and it's easier to see where to put your needle next. Please let me know if this was helpful to you, and if so, please subscribe or follow me for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.